Hobbes box of totally certified Panini. So maybe I'll open up this deal. I gotta make it slightly different though, because obviously I can't make it as good the first time people did it, because then why keep joining them? Got a rookie of Sami Vatanen and a rookie jersey autograph, Morgan Riley. Morgan Riley. No one asked her. She can do the next round if need be. We've got number to 100, Dion Phaneuf, Mirror Red. We got a rookie of Ryan Murphy and a rookie roll call of Anthony Peluso. Well, when I say fan, you got a really good one. That's a positive thing. You don't see many Barkovs. Nick Petrecki and a duel of Kessel and Anderson. I hope you're a Leafs fan. And we have a Marek Mazanich and a totally certified of Sean Horkoff. There you go, sir.